Alright everyone, we are here at Wow Car Wash, and we are going to get a wash.
It's in Las Vegas.
Yes, so I am going to pause until we're ready to go in. See you guys in a second. Okay, so now let's walk through it. Alright, so that was Wow Car Wash, and I can definitely say that I was wowed by that car wash.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, I was wowed in two ways. One, with how good the wash was, and two, how soaked I got. So, what were your thoughts?
I really liked it. I liked the smell. It smelled really good. I felt like the foam was really well covered. I felt like it was a very positive experience. Like, I loved the guy guiding us onto the track. I felt like that kept me in the right area. And
Yep.
just overall, it was a good experience.
Yeah, I would say, what, 8 out of 10?
I'd say 9 maybe.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I would. That's probably a better rating. So yeah, that's Wow Car Wash. I would definitely give it a 9. Yeah, if you want to be wowed by a car wash, come to Wow Car Wash.
Yeah? Yeah.
So yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.